Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Claudia. Welcome to Nusha Styles. My name is also Nusha. Okay, so hence Nusha Styles. In today's video, we are tackling the kitchen. I live in this apartment with my daughter. She's 10, and we have got some dirty dishes, rubbish, some food left over. That I was trying these ramen noodles and very spicy. I couldn't finish it all, and I've got my shopping mat that I'll be sharing with you. Some of the weekly shopping that I normally do. Sometimes it varies, sometimes it's very similar to what I get every week. But yeah, so here's the lovely roses. I picked these up from Morrison's in the clearance, guys. So pretty, right? Okay, let's get started. I've got this new cleaning product, disinfectant, linen fresh. We like fresh is nice. Love the color also. Yeah guys, I bought some fruits and veg and just bits and bobs, and I'll be sharing with you indeed what I got from Morrison's. I tend to go to Morrison's rather than Tesco, which I've got on my left Morrison's, on my right Tesco's, but I just prefer Morrison's for whatever reason. And yeah, so I've got here the pineapple and some other bits and bobs as well that I'll be sharing with you guys. So here I've got the Brussels, is it Brussels? Yes, pate, tuna bake. My daughter loves that. When I don't want to cook, that's what I get for her. Some burgers, she likes her burgers, she's only a kid. And some veg. We have got some chicken strips as well. We have got the cress, what do you call it? Yeah, something that's for the salads. And also blueberry and mozzarella, which I love, and avocados as well. That was only £2 if I'm not mistaken. Was it $2.99, something like that? But it has got 6 or 7 avocados in there, and we have got some tomatoes as well here. Yeah guys, so some spring onions, mushrooms, and watercress, is it called it. Here it's really good for you. I'm going to put all this away in the fridge, and then I'll start cleaning, guys. I hope you enjoy this type of videos and subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road for 1,000 subscribers so far, and it'll be great to have you here as part of this family, because we are growing, okay? We are going places in this channel. Please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.
My loves, I hope you are having a great start of the week. Tomorrow is already Wednesday. I'm editing this video on Tuesday. Fingers crossed it goes up tomorrow for you guys to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I enjoy this type of videos very much. If you have clicked, I'm sure you also enjoy cleaning videos. And I hope you are getting motivated to clean your space, whatever the issue is. I mean, life is happening, okay? We have to tackle these tasks at home, and sometimes I don't want to do anything. I just want to lie down, but then I get fed up as well, and I don't want to sit down. And we really don't know what we want in life, to be honest. We kind of sort of all over the place. And but I hope this video motivates you to clean and do something in your home that will be beneficial for yourself and your family. Guys, a little bit of elbow grease here. We need to get this pan shining, gotta shine. I mean, I have to say they're changing color because normally these colorful pots and pans, that's what happens, is bound to happen, okay? Because I mean, we cook in variety of dishes and curries and African. Sometimes also I use palm oil. It's very orangey, colorful, and it does stain the pots and pans. And that's why I think stainless steel is better.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Guys, just a quick advice, do not spray your fridge or any other appliances with any of these products, because I've noticed my fridge has got a lot of stains, like bleached. I don't know why. You know, when you're spraying these cleaning products, some of them are very strong, and it kind of melted my the work paint, the paintwork. I think it's the other way around. The paintwork in the fridge. So, and it's not looking very nice. So I'm a bit sad about that. But yeah, guys, I've got a new, Zaflora and Zaflora, and it smells divine. Okay, spring smell, very clean in this stinky sort of a, gutter. Oh my god, I bought these gorgeous roses from Morrison's. Guys, wait for you to see the price I paid for these stunning roses. I mean, I couldn't leave them behind. They had to come with me. I mean, no a better place than my home for these roses. Just look at the price. 75 pence. It was £3. And yeah, guys, look at the clearance, even for your fresh flowers. I mean, just so romantic. So my loves, what about going ahead and smash that like button if you have enjoyed this video? We are about to end the video. I mean, it's not a very long cleaning vlog, but I hope you have enjoyed, and come back and go and watch my other videos. You can binge on them, I don't mind, as you can imagine, right? Okay guys, until next time, take care of yourselves. I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye now. guys, I vacuumed and I mopped the floor off camera just to save time. But yeah guys, thank you so much. I'll speak to you guys soon. Take care.